Welcome to Trig Money. Download, shop, get cashback. Trig Money is the smart, secure and convenient way to get cashback. Whenever you shop online, it's free and just one click away. You concentrate on your shopping and Trig Money will do the rest. So how does Trig Money work? Download the Trig Money browser application. The Trig Money icon is now visible on your browser. You are now ready to shop with a smile. Choose among thousands of our global retailers and Trig Money will automatically alert you when it's time to cash in on your shopping. Every time, anytime you shop with any of our thousands of global retailers, we receive a commission for generating a sale. As a reward for using our service, we pass on this commission back to you. That's what we call a cashback. Trig Money automatically registers your every purchase and credits your e-wallet directly with your earned money. Sounds too good to be true? Nope, it really is that simple. Join the thousands of Trig Money users who get cashback every day when shopping online. So would you like to shop and earn money? Then join Trig Money for free today at trigmoney.com. Trig Money, shop with a smile. Hello.
Hola.
Hey.
Ciao.
Hi.
Hello.
Salut.
Hey.
Bonjour.
Hi.
Guten Tag.
Hallo.
Hola.
Guten Tag.
Ciao. Say hello with a smile.